I gave him some clothes and stuff like that.
That's good.
And I talked to his wife. She's like, is this gonna be a lot of work? I said, oh, no, it's all fun. She's like, I don't know anything about horses. I said, Rachel Sargent said, neither did Deb. It was beautiful. Push the